Alright guys, so got the matte screen protector installed on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Ordered these Super Shields from Amazon, $7.99 for a 3-pack. And it went on easy. I got a little piece of dirt somewhere in here, but it's okay. It's that matte, see, there's no more glare now. And that is just exactly what I needed. Yeah, here's a little piece of dirt right here somewhere. No, that's not even dirt. Okay, no, so no, it's good. I guess that was just an air bubble. So no dirt anywhere. Fantastic. This is what I was looking for because this is a very large canvas. And so it doesn't look as bad when you're using it on a big canvas like this. Now, if it's a smaller screen, sometimes it could be really, really grainy. But the quality of the screen is not compromised. And it's not even all the way up in brightness. It's at halfway. And on the fire up a video I was looking at earlier, you can see the quality of the screen at half brightness. I was flying my drone, and you can see view angles look great. So the screen is absolutely fantastic, man. I'm happy that I finally got my matte screen protectors. I was actually going with a matte glass, but I just didn't want to get a glass for some reason. The matte glass cost the same. It was like $9.99 instead of $7.99, and you got 3 of them. But I decided to not get glass and just get a matte screen protector because I want to wear this in a case. And sometimes the case that I'm using, it's got. Let me show it to you. I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna remove this clear plastic film right here. Yeah, see how it just comes right off, and I'll do that later, but it has that ugly screen protector in there. And I'm gonna use this with it, obviously. So I'll clean out all the excessive glue and things like that, so I'll be able to take it on and out the case. But overall, sensitivity with the pen, fingerprint reader, everything is still the same. There's a cutout on the top here for the camera, so it's not affected at all. And this is actually a sensor over here on this side. I often wondered what this was. This little spot over here, it's a sensor. I noticed it with the bright lights on it when I was doing the recording. But the pen sensitivity is all the same, no issues whatsoever. Still can see that 120 hertz refresh rate flowing right along. So wanted to give you an update on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. I've got a couple of more videos that I'm working on with this one. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just jumped on Amazon and I grabbed the screen protectors. That's it. Got them next day service, and that's it. $8, and I still have 2 more just in case something happens with this one. So it's your man Jay. Viewing angles, everything's good. Touch sensitivity, fingerprint reader, facial recognition obviously is going to work because of the cutout, but it is good. I definitely highly recommend this. Now again, they do have a glass version, but the only reason I didn't get that once again is because of the case I'm using. So it's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.